Alright, this is how you should oil your door. This is preventative maintenance. You should do at least twice a year. You can use this stuff, first aid, any silicone, no grease. As you can see, there's grease on here. Silicone's good. You want to get inside the roller, the shaft of the roller, and then the pivot points on the hinges. Now, one thing you have to be careful of is when you're using a penetrating oil and you're going over grease, you don't want to soak the door, because that penetrating oil is going to break up that grease and it could be very messy. So the best thing to do is when you get done oiling your door, you put it up, you put it down, and you leave it down for about an hour. That way you don't have grease dripping all over your nice garage floor. And never forget the springs. Just like you're spray painting something. Back and forth. Back and forth. Up. Down. And let it stay down for an hour. You do that twice a year, that'll keep you out of trouble.